So why are interest rates going up if the Reserve Bank isn't changing them? The simple answer: the people with the money to lend are not confident they're going to get paid back. We have the US subprime crisis to thank for that. That's where a really large number of loans went really bad. Let's say I lend you $1,000 for 2 weeks and I charge you $10 of interest. Then I lend another $1,000, another $1,000 and another $1,000. If everybody pays me back, no problem, all goes well. Maybe the next guy who comes to me to borrow $1,000, I only charge $5 of interest. I've always been paid back, I'm comfortable with the risk, and also there's another guy down the road making $1,000 loans who's only charging $6 of interest. Well, that is how the funding market was a year ago. There was lots of money available and it was really cheap. Let's say the next 20 people that come to borrow money from me can't pay me back. Basically, they all default on their loans. To make matters worse, the guy down the road who was also making out loans also doesn't get paid back. The number of people with the money to lend drops from 50 down to 5. Now someone comes to me and needs to borrow $1,000. What do? I need to make sure I don't lose my money again, and in order to do that, I need to make sure that I charge enough interest to make it worth the risk. So instead of the $5 I used to charge, I now charge $30. The borrower has no choice. There are almost no other lenders in the market, and those that are there are charging the same or even more for their $1,000 loans. This is how the lending market is at the moment. The banks need to pay a lot more for the money they borrow to lend to consumers. When the Reserve Bank adjusts official interest rates, this has almost no impact. It's all about the reduced availability of funds at the moment. So, with the cost of funds the same for all lenders, MyRate's low overhead and direct model means that we can consistently offer home loans at some of the best interest rates in the country. If you'd like to learn more, check out some of our other videos.